Hello and welcome. Congratulations on your new fully automatic espresso machine KF4 with iced coffee. Let's see what's inside your Espresso Essentials box. You've got a ground coffee scoop, your water filter, brew unit cleaning tablets, a water hardness test strip, the milk hose, and your milk container. See this scoop? It also installs your filter. Pretty handy. The power switch is on the right side. Press it to turn on. The display walks you through setup. First, choose your language. Tap your language. Confirm with the check mark. Take out the water tank, drip tray, and milk container. Rinse them under warm water and dry completely. Slide everything back into place. Next, your touchscreen will guide you through setting up your water filter. The scoop's notched end is your filter tool. Remove the water tank. Use the scoop to screw the filter in. Twist until it's snug. Let's fill up the water tank. Fill it all the way to the max line with fresh, cold tap water. Slide it back until it slots into place. Now you're ready to rinse the filter. Grab a bigger container for the rinse cycle. Press start and let the machine do the rest. Once the rinse is complete, the machine's ready to brew. If you're not using a filter, dip the strip in tap water, shake off the extra, and wait about a minute. Count the red squares and match your result to the droplets on screen. Now for the fun part. Coffee. Fill the bean hopper with your favorite whole beans. That's what the grinder's for. Prefer pre-ground coffee like decaf? Use the chute next to the hopper instead. Either way, you're ready. Close the lid. Before your first real cup, you need to purge the system. Run 4 espresso shots to flush everything through. Toss these, they're just for flushing the system. Now you're all set. Your machine is dialed in and ready to make great coffee. Time for the real thing.